Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a slide of an onion cell. So a slide you can use to look at the cells of an onion. So obviously you'll need an onion. When me and Costa are making this video, we both forgot to get an onion. So we're going to have to pretend for that bit. So you chop up your onion, and when you've got a tiny piece, you peel off a tiny bit of the thin skin of the onion. And the reason you use the thinnest part is because it's one cell thick. If you were to just put an onion under the microscope, you wouldn't see anything because the light won't go through an onion, but it will go through the really fine layer that you're going to pull off. So when you've got that and you put it on your slide, you're still not going to see anything unless you stain the cells. So we use iodine to stain the cells. So I'm just going to add a tiny drop of iodine. You have to be really careful with this because it stains. So anything that it goes on, it will stain. So I don't want to get it on my skin or on my clothes or anything like that. Right, so when I put my iodine on top of my specimen, so from a piece of onion, I've got a cover slip, just a really thin piece of glass. If you squeeze that too hard, you'd break it and it would cut you, so you have to be really careful. I'm just going to drop that on top of where the onion is. You can see that it's yellow now. So that means when I look at the cells, they'll appear to be yellowy brown. So I put it on top of the stage and clip it in. Set my lens to the lowest power lens to start with, and then that's ready to view.